Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put songs from Spotify to external flash drive. So what you need to do is these two apps. The first one is of course the Spotify apps on your computer, and the second one is the Spotify Music Converter. So by using this app, you can easily convert the song from Spotify and save it to your computer library so that you can copy it to the external flash drive. So let's try. So you can just download the Spotify apps on your browser first, and after that, if you want to download the songs, you can just drag the music here. So let's open also the Spotify and select the songs. For example, in here I'm going to select the songs right here. So just drag it into the Spotify, put it in here, and it will parsing the URL. You can see I can just click on add after that, and in here just click on this convert button. Click on convert, or you can just add more songs in here. You can drag the music again. For example, this one, drag it to here, click on add again, and now there are two songs. You can just click on convert after that, and in here you can choose between a free trial and also the pro, I think. So if you want to download the whole songs, you need to buy the app first, but I'm going to just go with a free trial so that the music will only be downloaded in the first minutes. So just wait until the processing is done. Okay, it will finish within seconds. Okay, so now the conversion is finished, and you guys can see here a folder or your file explorer will be automatically open, the Spotify Music Converter. Just click on it, and here are the two songs that I convert before. So if you want to put it on the external flash drive, you can just select the song, right click on it, and here you can click on send to, or just copy it. I'm going to just click on send to, and here use or select the USB drive. So that's pretty easy. That's how you can put songs from Spotify into the external flash drive. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.